I found a love for me. Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
What
How you
is your
doing?
name? I'm fine, I think.
What?
You? I'm fine.
Oh, you're fine. Nice. Yeah, we're fine too.
Also, you sing and he play on the guitar.
Yes, you're right. I am singing and he's playing guitar. You wanna
Me
hear?
too, I sing. In my country, I sing.
Oh, you singer too?
Yes.
Oh, that's nice. Okay. Can you sing for me?
Yes, but the first, can you sing you for me?
Yeah.
But if we can sing something together with the guitar, with
Okay.
the
What
guitar
song?
can accompany.
What song do you want?
Choose you a song.
Um. Do you know "Shallow" from Lady
Shallow.
Gaga?
Yes, but I don't know if it's work, but I can try.
Okay.
I just try. I don't know to sing the
Yeah.
song, but I just try.
Yeah. Let's try. You ready?
Yes.
Okay. Tell me something, boy. Are you happy in this modern world? Or do you need more? Are you happy in this searching pour? I am falling. And all the good times I find myself longing for a tune. Na 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 na, I forget the lyric. Your turn.
Can you sing with me?
Yeah, come on.
Tell me
something, boy.
boy.
Yeah. Na na na.
I'm shy because when I sing in my school, because I go in that school, I'm don't shy, but now I'm shy.
Don't sigh. Let's sing together. Let's have fun. Let's have fun
Okay.
together. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Again.
Okay. You're on Tell Me Something, boy.
Yeah.
Okay.
1, 2, 3,
2,
4.
3.
Tell me
Tell me something, boy.
Nice. Na na na
And
na
you're
na.
trying to feel that, boy.
Ah.
Oh my God.
Are you na na na?
More. We can choose another song.
Yeah, that's not bad. That's nice.
I don't try never to sing this song. It's the first time.
You're good, I think.
Thank you.
Okay, and another song. What song? You choose. Now you choose.
I don't sing very much English song, but in my country I sing something. But Ed Sheeran, you know who is?
Ed Sheeran, yes, I know. What song? The title?
Perfect.
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 Okay, perfect. Yaudah, kanggo waduh.
Let's try.
Perfect aku mahal nih. Oh. Oke. Duh, ini nostalgia guys lagunya. I found a love for me. Darling, just dive right in. follow my lead. I found a girl beautiful like you.
Thank you.
I never knew you were someone waiting for me. Ref. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When you stay on the grass, looking so beautiful, I don't deserve this. You look perfect. What? Tonight.
In this moment.
In this moment.
Hey.
Yay!
This was so nice.
Yeah, thank you. What's your name anyway?
My name is Denisa and her name is
Denisa?
Daria.
Denisa and Daria?
Daria.
Daria?
Daria.
Dalia?
Yes.
Oh, Dalia.
Daria with R.
Oh, Daria with R.
Yes. This is good.
You from Romania, right?
Yes, I'm from Romania.
Câți ani ai?
How old think I have? Just guess.
I think you were 15, 17.
Much more. Yes, I have 17 years
17.
old.
Yeah, nice. You are beautiful. Anyway.
Thank you. You too.
Yeah, thank you. And your sister?
Yes, my sister. She has tell him how old are you have.
Yeah. How old are you?
Spune-i tu pe engleză. Spune-i tu pe engleză câți ani ai.
10? I guess you 10?
Yes, she had 10 years old.
I right. Yeah. Aku Kratos.
You tell me your name.
Oh, my name. My name is Habibie.
Habibie. You are from Indonesia?
How did you know
A
that?
lot of boys. I don't know, but a lot of boys of this application are from Indonesia.
Yeah.
I find a lot of boys.
What do you think about Indonesian people?
I don't know. They are nice. Much. They have a good soul. I think this.
Oh yeah.
But
Thank you.
a lot of boys tell me on the first time, "Do you want to be my girlfriend?" And I was like, "I don't know you. Sorry, I can't do this."
Yeah, I see.
La Diana în cameră. And I was like, "Thank you. Sorry, this was something beautiful, but I can't."
Yeah. I understand.
But I don't know to say.
But what?
Something. I don't know what I'm supposed to say.
Okay.
How old are you? Adu-mi și un
I am?
adaptor, te rog.
Guess.
De la Diana, de la mama din cameră. Du-te la mama în cameră și vezi care pierde iPhone. Du-te că ai voie, sorry. Du-te că ai voie.
What you say?
I said her to go the best another room.
My age.
What you asking me? I don't listen.
I'm 19 years old. Yeah.
19?
19?
Oh my god. I think you have, I don't know, 16, 17, something like that.
I'm 19. I'm in college. What do you do in your country?
I study.
You study?
High School of Music.
Oh, nice.
I play the piano, guitar.
Piano, guitar?
Guitar, and with my voice I sing opera.
Oh,
Opera.
that's nice. Opera?
Opera, yes, something like
Galileo.
that.
Like that.
Something like that. Because I have.
Nice. Sing something. Sing little bit opera song.
I would want Ave Maria, but I can because I'm not. But if I try. Oh, sorry.
No.
I don't have. I'm not ready with my voice.
Oh.
I need some vocal something. I have a problem for this moment, and I don't sing about now.
Hi.
Now, now 2 months ago, I go to the doctor and they told me I can sing.
For a moment.
Like, sorry.
For a moment, you can sing.
Yes,
you can
for
sing?
a moment, for 1 year.
Oh.
And
what is that?
She said I'm Daria.
Oh. Hi, Daya.
And I can sing, but for this I'm sad, very sad, because I can sing. But
yeah.
This is the life. What can I do? Fuck this.
Denisa, do you have Instagram?
Yes, I know this was the question. Yes, I have the Instagram. Yes, I have Instagram. I will write to there.
Okay, I will follow you. Okay, I will follow you back.
She wants your Instagram.
Just type. I will follow you, both of you.
I will give her when you give me follow.
Okay.
What do you... okay, I will write her Instagram if you want.
Okay.
What is your favorite song?
My favorite song is rock music, metal music.
Oh,
you know?
You like rock?
Yeah, I love rock. Can I sing?
So nice. Sorry?
Rock music?
Yes, you can sing because I like it. Me too.
Okay, maybe you don't know this song, but this is my favorite song. Okay. Wait. Because I can't see the lyric.
I don't see, but the name of the song is?
The title is Dear God by Avenged Sevenfold. You know?
Let's listen.
Okay. Road, cross another cross that line, miles away from dust allow, purpose under fine. Oh yeah, dear God, the only thing I am to the other when I'm not around, when I'm much too far away. We all need the person who can be to be true, but I left her where I found her. Cause I'm lonely and I'm staying. Oh my god. Cause I'm lonely, I'm tired, I'm missing you again. Oh no, no. Guess we lost it all, nothing lasts forever. I'm sorry, I can't be perfect. Now it's just too late, and we can't go back. I'm sorry, I can't be perfect. Yay. How's that? You like it? What? What's happening?
I hear something and I don't know what was, but the song was, I don't have words, was like was very deep. So it was very deep, and it entered my soul, and I don't know, it was something very deep. And I remember something in my my last time.
You remember
something?
What?
Sorry?
Remember what?
I remember something personal, but
okay. Yeah.
was good.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, because you sing.
Spune tu să zică ceva românește.
Okay,
că mă
Denisa,
nebunește.
glad to know you, to talk to you.
Întreabă-l,
I'm hard to
eu
go.
găsit pe Insta.
Okay?
Sorry, I
That's
don't
okay?
hear. Sorry?
Glad to know you, to talk to you. I had to go.
Okay.
That's okay?
Nice to see you.
Nice to meet you anyway.
Nice to meet you too.
Yeah. Have a nice day.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Have a nice day. Bye.
Yeah,
No,
bye-bye.
no, no.